Alright guys, well, in this video we're just gonna look at while loops, while loops. In the previous video we looked at for loops, right? And make sure, if you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that one first. So basically in these videos, in these two part of the series, we are looking at how to actually do repetitive processes, right? So, and then we said in the for loop one, you would use for loop if you know where the program should end. So if the program must stop after 5 times or 3 times or whatever it is, right? But what is important is that you know when it should end. And you will actually use while loop when now you don't know when the program should end. Anyway, let's just do that so that you see it. So I'm just going to create a simple program. Let's see. Let's say we take some inputs from the user, and then prompt the user, do you want to start the program? So the user is going to give an answer here, right? And that can be yes or no. All right, so we are going to store that on answer. All right, so let's create a space here. So we are going to store that answer in a variable called answer, and then we will say while answer is equals to, and this is how you do the comparison for an equal sign. It's double equal sign. That means you are doing the comparison. So while answer is equals to yes, right? What do we want to do? We want to ask the user again, do you want to continue? It's just a simple program just to illustrate what while loop does. And as you can see here, let's just copy and then paste it down. So as you can see here, we don't know when the user would say no, right? We don't know. So from the get-go, when we prompt the user, do you want to start the program? The user can say no, from there. Inside that while loop, the user can choose to say no at any time, right? So let's see that. Let's run this. Do you want to start the program? Yes. Do you? Okay. Let's come here and change this message and say, do you wanna? All right. I just noticed that I have some spelling here. I'm missing word here. So, do you want to start the program? So the user will say yes there, yes or no. And here we can ask if the user wants to actually continue. Do you want the program to continue? And yeah. Okay. Do you want to so yep. All right, cool. So do you want to continue? If he says yes, we go back, we loop again, we ask the very same question, do you want to continue? As long the user says yes, we'll be looping, we'll be going through, I think this is line 4, we'll go back to line 3 and ask it the very same question, do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? As long it's yes, this will be a loop up until he says something that is not a yes. Okay, so let's run it. Do you want the program to start? Yes, right? And then the program starts. Do you want to continue? Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Do you want to continue? No. You see, after putting no, the program ended. Then, okay, let me just create a space here. So this is a perfect example of when would you use a while loop. And notice, from the get-go, the user can say no. Do you want to start the program? No. The program ends, right? Okay. Let's see. Do you want to start the program? Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. As long as I say yes, it will keep on asking me that. And this is where the power of programming, and when I say no, it stops. All right, so that's it on this video, guys. Let me know how do you find this video so far. Just make sure you leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, cheers.